Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So looking at the price right now, as of June 13th, 2023, you guys can see there's still about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 26,062. We're up 7.7% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 6.1% in Bitcoin and 6% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours, which is a great thing to see. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $23.1 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $4.1 million. So great things to see, guys, especially when there is so much uncertainty in the crypto space right now. And considering that factor, ladies is holding really strong, and that is no secret at this point. And if we're looking at its holder count, you guys can see the holder count has of course increased. When the price does tend to go up, we do attract more buyers. So this is organic growth, but the most important thing to note is that it's still above 15,000 holders, which is of course a great thing to point out. Looking at the Twitter side, 67.1k followers. As far as announcement goes, there's nothing as of now. Still the same old, pictures that they're reposting, which again, is kind of getting really boring at this point. But I don't think they seem to care about that. But whatever, that's something I don't like, but what can we do? So with that said, now let's get right into the price, see what is happening and whether or not we could see a bigger breakout happening sooner rather than later. So before I get into it, guys, you guys know the good old disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at its market cap, we're up currently sitting at $23 million, and you guys know how happy I get when we do see the price remain above that $20 million market cap. That is a really bullish indication, shows the momentum, and that is no secret right now, and that is worthwhile noting when we are analyzing the charts. But now when I look at the bigger picture, let me show you guys what really is happening, and if I could see a breakout happening sooner than a lot of people think. So basically what has happened is today, guys, we have seen ladies break out to that 2,753 cents mark, and of course we got stopped out at some resistance that we had on June 10th as we were breaking towards the upside. But of course Bitcoin on the other hand also made a move towards $26,386, but also retraced once again. So like I said, uncertainty on the Bitcoin side is insane. But now if you're looking at the traditional market, stock market is really booming right now. It's starting to show some strength. So of course we've seen last bull cycle the correlation that played for BTC and the stock market. So are we about to see Bitcoin make its way back up to the 61.8 install a next leg up? Possibly. That is definitely a play in the books right now. But for ladies, guys, it's holding really strong, and I'm extremely impressed. Remember, this coin is a low cap coin. Low cap coins can pump so fast and dump so fast, especially when the volatility in the price of Bitcoin is quite high, uncertainty level, and the regulatory aspect of things. When we take all those things into consideration, low cap coins can get hit really hard. But we're seeing, ladies, since yesterday, it went up about 10%, 13%, but of course after a retracement we're still up about 8% right now. So right now what we're seeing happening is we're facing resistance, guys. You guys can see this for yourself. We're facing resistance. If we get a little bit more push, just a little bit more push, and Bitcoin does go back into the 61.8, because right now Bitcoin still hasn't made up its mind as to what it needs to do. Is it going down or is it going up? But we're starting to hear some good news come out of China, if you guys heard earlier. And I also mentioned it yesterday in my Pepe's video, but today we had more news come out. Good news from China. Could that potentially cause us to make a move back into the 61.8? We'll see. We'll really see. But right now, what we're seeing happening is whales literally liquidating the shorts and the longs, and you cannot make that up right now. But nonetheless, what we're seeing with ladies is really impressive. In order for us to break out, my same analysis as I said before is that we need to break out of that June 10th high that we've seen, and that is a move of 20% from the current price levels right now. If we're able to push out of here, out of this zone, then I am expecting a higher price for the price of ladies in the immediate short term. Right now, we're outperforming Pepe, and Pepe, of course, is the king of the meme coin market this year, and we're seeing Pepe lag behind ladies right now, which is shocking. Of course, especially the newcomers that might come and say, that is really shocking. Why is that the case? Pepe is so much bigger. But remember, Pepe has a larger market cap. It has a market cap like way bigger than ladies, so we need to keep that factor into consideration. But of course, we will definitely take that. So my next main target right now, guys, is the same thing. Right now, all eyes on this target. If the price of Pepe is able to break out of that range, and from what it looks like, this trend, guys, since June 5th, we've been in an upwards trajectory. Even though we've seen volatility come in the price of BTC, we never retested that level. So that is, really good to point out. And if you manage to pick up some ladies around that range, you are still up 40%. Yes, you heard that right, 40%. And that's the beauty of short, long-term. I'm sorry, what am I saying? I don't know. Sometimes, when I'm too excited about a topic, I don't realize what I'm saying. So the beauty of, low cap coins is that they can give you insane gains in a short period of time, but also, of course, more risk, high reward, higher risk, higher reward. So that's one thing I want you guys to keep in mind. So like I said, all eyes on this target and all eyes on BTC. Let's all pray that Bitcoin starts making a move back into the 61.8. If it does, I am expecting ladies is about to show a lot of people some impressive moves towards the upside. But of course, we need to clear out of this resistance, which is at that 3099 cents mark. And then my main target would be around that 4359 cents mark, which is still, a gain of about 70% from the current price levels. But with that said, what do you guys think? Are you guys seeing something similar play out? Are you guys seeing something different play out? Let me know in the comment section. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support you guys show me on a day-to-day basis. I've said this to you guys before from the beginning. If you guys continue showing me support, I will continue bringing these daily updates for you guys. So, I love each and every one of you guys for showing that support, and I will see you guys tomorrow. But of course, do let me know your personal thoughts on this in the comments. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.